Alright, welcome back to the channel to Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings. Today we have a true gem right here. An amazing powerhouse of a power bank. The Yoocas Rocket Pro 6-port laptop power bank. Let's get to it. Now, like I said, this is an absolute powerhouse beast. 2,500 mAh, 240 watt total power output. Take a good look at this. Take a good look at this right here. You got wireless charging. You got 100 watt PD. You can literally charge up to three MacBook Pros. This is absolutely incredible. Charge up to 5 devices. 5 devices. If that does not scream beast, I don't know what does. Let's get into this. Let's just rip and tear into this thing. Right here. Let's get into it. Let's just get right into it. But before we do that, let's look at what we're looking at here. Literally. You got a power display, input, output, USB-C 1. Power delivery, in and out, USB-C 2. Power delivery out USB 3, C3. You have a quick charge out USB-A right here. You could even charge for a wireless charging to and for your smartphone. That is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Make sure this is all focused out perfectly. Let's get into this. Look at what we have here. You got your user manual. That goes through all the specs and everything you could totally need and want. You got a USB cable right here, and this is the main star attraction to this episode right here. The power station itself. Look, this is solid. This is really solid. I mean, woohoo! Wow. This. Look at this. This is thick. This is thick. Real thick. You got your power button right here. Take a good look at this, guys. Wow. You got a power outlet delivery in and out for USB-C 1 and 2. Power delivery out for USB number 3. And you got a quick charge out for USB-A. That baby right there. And of course, you got your LED display right there, and this is where you charge your smartphone. Let's turn on the power and let's see what we got here. Is that what you got for the display right there? Very, very awesome. And good. Let's charge my cell phone. Let's connect this to this right here. And to this right here. Boom. Look at that. Don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see if I can focus in on that. Right there, it is charging. It is charging my phone. Alright, that will conclude today's video. Thank you all for tuning in and watching. I want you all to know something. Without you and your support, Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings does not exist. Tech Expert Reviews and Unboxings does not thrive and it does not survive. You are literally the bloodline of this channel. 100%. If you want the truth, the whole truth is nothing but the truth, and with no BSing around and no kissing any company's rear end, you want the true, honest, unbiased opinion reviews about the latest technology or even technology from the past, you got it right here. Nobody else does that, and nobody else will do that but this channel, I guarantee you. Like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, let me know why. There's always room for improvement, and I want to improve. I can't do it without your input. Subscribe, like I said, if you have not done so. If not, subscribe now. Spread the word, let everybody know about this channel. Let's get up to 500 subscribers, and let's build a dominant, strong channel. It's like no one else out there, guaranteed. You guys be good. You be good at it. You thrive at it. Until next time, I'll catch you later.